Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user roles and permissions with Auth0 RBAC full guide step by step clearly. To verify user roles and permissions with Auth0 RBAC, start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section and select your application. Scroll down to the API section and note the API identifiers. Next, go to the Roles tab in the left sidebar. Click on Create Role to set up a new role. Define the role name and description, then save it. Proceed to Permissions and click on Create Permission. Set the permission name and assign it to the corresponding role. Next, return to the role you just created and click on Assign Permissions. Select the created permission and save the changes. Now head to the Users section in the dashboard. Select a user you wish to assign the role to. On the User Profile page, find the Roles tab. Click on Assign Roles and choose the role you've created. Once assigned, the user will now have those role-based permissions. The next step is to implement the role check in your application code. Use the Auth0 SDK to decode the JWT token upon user login. Extract the user's roles from the token payload. Implement a function that checks if the user holds the required role for a specific action. You may also create middleware to handle role verification across your application. For permission checks, similarly decode the JWT token. Extract the permissions from the token and verify against your defined permissions. Implement logic to determine if the user has the required permissions for their actions. For effective testing, simulate user roles and permissions in your application. Conduct different scenarios to ensure that users can only access features they are permitted to. Monitor the audit section in your Auth0 dashboard for any anomalies or issues. Finally, update your user management practices based on usage and feedback. This completes the step-by-step process for verifying user roles and permissions with Auth0 RBAC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.